Hey friends, Jeff here with RV Optimizer, and today running to a little different concept that if you're looking to buy or maybe figure out a way to get into the whole RV type of scene, maybe a different way to think about renting one. And so I want to introduce or have her introduce herself and the company she works for. I know you guys were on Shark Tank a little bit and try to get the concept out there, but please tell the viewers a little bit about who and what you guys do.
Awesome. So I'm Helena. I work at Boho Camper Vans. We're a camper van company based in Tempe, Arizona. So we build, sell, and rent these vans out. Something like this is actually a client van. Something like this would sell for around $145,000 depending on what amenities you have. And our rentals differ from $150 a night to $250 a night. But yeah, feel free to take a look inside and look around.
Yeah. So I'm assuming you guys have a website where people can go to figure out what they get in your different rate structures.
Exactly. So you can go to our website, boho.life. And from there you can look at our different rental rates as well as our different rental vans. And then you can also ask build questions as well as kind of build your own van and, put what you want inside.
Got it. And so you guys did get a deal on Shark Tank, right?
Yes, we did. We got a deal with Barbara. Pretty awesome. She's pretty great.
Does she get involved much with the
She does.
Yeah.
We kind of go to her to answer any questions that we might have, and she'll give us advice from time to time as well. But she's pretty involved in us. The owners actually just went to her cabin pretty recently, so she's really cool in kind of making friendships with her companies.
Yeah, very nice. Well, if anybody's interested, anything else they should know about how the program works?
Yeah, so it's pretty easy, especially if you did want to buy, build, or rent. Our company is really great. We pride ourselves on our customer service. Definitely if you have even any questions, let us know, and we're pretty flexible. We can help you as much as we can, and we got your back.
Very good. Well, it's an interesting concept in the van RV world type thing. So we'll put it out there, see what folks think.
Awesome.
And appreciate you telling us a little bit about it.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was great to meet you.
Yep, same here. Thanks.